Good morning, children. How are you all? So, you are not coming to school, but the school is coming to you through gadgets. Now, this is the new way of learning due to the COVID-19 situation, right? Okay. Anyway, we are going to enjoy. There is no difference between the classroom and the virtual classroom. Okay, I can see you. I just imagine that you are sitting in front of me. Okay, so you also should feel the same. I'm speaking to you only. I would like to ask you something. Do you help your parents? Especially if your parents are working, especially in the weekend. Do you plan something to do, to plan some new ornamental plants, or to go for some nearby fields, or to take care of the pet, something like that? Do you help your parents? Okay, let us see here. One girl, she is helping her father, and this lesson, the first lesson's name is The Sparrows Get a New Home. Do you like birds? One more thing I would like to ask you. Do you have a garden at home? And actually very less people might be having a garden or some plants outside their home. Okay, if you observe, you can see some, especially the sparrows, they come and they make a nest. So children and this people, they means if any elders are there, they help these sparrows to make a new home, and when they get their babies, they fly away, so then they don't remember us, right? But that's kind of happiness. Then here, what this girl is doing, how she is helping her father. Let us see. I'm going to read the lesson, so I'm not going to say the total story, so it's really a suspense. So I'm going to read the first page. You have to listen carefully how ma'am is reading the lesson. You have to listen how ma'am is pronunciating each words. Then you are learning how to read the lesson. So you read after me. Let us see. Let's read a story about a girl who helps her father make something special for their garden. On Friday nights, Rini and her father would draw up a what to do for the garden list. What will we do tomorrow? Asked Rini. Go to the hardware shop, replied her dad. To buy plywood and nails. Plywood and nails? What for? Asked Rini. Think of something special for the garden, he said. But Rini could think of nothing. They already had garden tables and benches. So what was the plywood for? The next day, after they returned home with the material, her dad showed her a sketch of what looked like a doll's house. But this house had no doors or windows, just one small round hole right in the center. We are going to make this, said her father. Can you guess what it is? Some sort of box, said Rini. Maybe you will grow some plants in it? Try again, laughed her dad. What does it look like? So, this is a suspense. Till now only we are reading. One more time. On Friday nights, Rini and her father would draw up a what to do for the garden list. What will we do tomorrow? Asked Rini. Go to the hardware shop, replied her dad, to buy plywood and nails. Plywood and nails? What for? Asked Rini. Think of something special for the garden, he said. But Rini could think of nothing. They already had garden tables and benches. So what was the plywood for? The next day, after they returned home with the material, her dad showed her a sketch of what looked like a doll's house. But this house had no doors or windows, just one small round hole right in the center. We are going to make this, said her father. Can you guess what it is? Some sort of box, said Rini. Maybe you will grow small plants in it. Try again, laughed her dad. What does it look like? So, this is the conversation between Rini and her dad. So, they are preparing a what to do list for the garden. So, surely they have a big garden. So, they are planning a what to do list, what all are the things they can do in the garden. So, when they are preparing the list, Rini asked what we are going to do this weekend, what we are going to do. Then daddy told we are going to buy some hardware. We are going to the hardware shop to buy some plywood and nails. So you know what is a hardware shop? The shops, they are selling these plywood, paint, these nails and all. So that's a hardware shop. Then he told we are going to the hardware shop to buy some plywood and nails. Plywood and nails for what? Rini asked. Because why did she ask like that? They already had benches and tables in the garden. So they don't want plywood. What is the plywood? A kind of soft wood. It is not that much hard like the normal wood. It's a kind of soft wood. Then for what? She thought. And anyway, the next day they bought all the things, and father made a sketch. What is a sketch here? A rough drawing. Okay, a rough drawing of some kind of structure or something. Okay, and he made a sketch, and Rini just looked at the sketch. The sketch is looking like a doll's house, but there is no doors and windows. Usually a doll's house has a door and windows, but there is no doors or windows. Then only a small round hole in the middle, and she didn't understand this is for what. And father was asking, dad was asking to Rini, did you understand this is for what? She said no. Are you going to grow some small plants in it? Then daddy just laughed and said, you just think, this is for what? Okay, so our story continues in our next session. Then I will be giving the classwork, and I will tell you how to write the classwork. So you have to read. First listen carefully how ma'am was reading that, and you have to read after me. Then you are learning how to pronunciate the new words. Now this is the model of your classwork. Say here, this side, you have to write the date, 1st June 2020. Okay, so this is the model. June, don't misunderstand. I know here one E is missing. This is the short form of June, and 2020 short form 20. Okay, this is the way you have to write the date. LS1 means the lesson 1. The sparrows get a new home. And then Roman number 1, the new words, first one, second one, third one, there will be a lot of words. I just written only 3. So this is a model. I just prepared a template to show you. So this is the way you have to write your notes in the classwork book. It should be neat and clean. I don't want to see any shabby books, shabby writing. I don't want to see. You have to keep your class book very neat and clean. You have to maintain that properly. By seeing that only I will allot the marks. Okay, so your classwork and homework is getting marked. So it's mandatory, after watching the video you have to complete your classwork and homework. Okay, after watching the video you have to complete your classwork and homework, and a quiz question will be there, that also you have to complete. For all these things marks are allotted. So your marks will be according to your performance. So first listen how mom read the lesson, the first session how mom read, and after that just to see how you have to write the classwork. So we will be seeing soon for the next session. Bye children, have a nice day.